Hey everyone, welcome to the kitchen. Today I made these maple glazed baby carrots. This is a fantastic side dish for just about any meal. And they're really easy to make. Here's what I did. Start out with one of these heavy cast iron brazier pans over medium-high heat, and I hit it with a little bit of clarified butter. Once the butter was melted, I threw in the baby carrots. So stir the carrots around for a little while, get them fried and a little bit crispy on the outside, start to build up that caramelly color and flavor. And then I poured in a little bit of white wine. Except they didn't have white wine today, so I used some rosé. You could pretty much use any dry white wine that you have on hand. What you're really looking for is to add an acid component to the dish. On medium-high heat, that should come to a boil, and you reduce the liquid down by about half, and then you throw in some maple syrup. And you want to use real maple syrup, of course. There is no substitute. At this point, I hit it with a little bit of salt and pepper. And you don't have to use baby carrots if you don't want to. You could use any carrots that you like. You could take regular sized carrots and cut them into rounds, cut them into batonettes. I just really like these carrots for presentation. Give it a stir around and put the lid on, and then you stick that in the oven for 25 or 30 minutes. Now this recipe is really easy to scale. You can make a whole mess of these for a whole lot of people, or you can make it just for two. Really nice flavor. You've got sweetness from the carrot and that caramelization right at the very beginning. And then layered on top of that is the maple flavor, which adds just an incredible depth. And you need a white wine with quite a bit of acid in order to cut that sweetness, otherwise it would be very cloying. So give this a try. It would be great on your Thanksgiving dinner table, or your Christmas dinner table, or Easter, or next Tuesday night when you're having meatloaf. It's the kind of dish that makes it look like you slaved in the kitchen and worked really hard, when it is super simple and easy to make. Thanks for stopping by. Hope to see you again soon.